So far, the entry-level ground scanner Fusion Lite comprised only the control unit with charger and the Android app. We decided to expand the delivery scope. This means the control unit with charger is still included, and the Fusion Lite now contains additional components. The smartphone is now included in the delivery scope. The Fusion Lite app is pre-installed on this Android smartphone. The waterproof and shock-resistant Peli case replaces the previous carrying tube. The Windows PC is added and includes the pre-installed Visualizer 3D software. This extension provides beginners with all necessary components for a successful start in 3D ground scanning.